cornrows, I don't really know what the difference is. I don't know if the cornrows are just supposed to be without the track, but either way, I stitch braid, you know? Okay, so let's see. We'll go ahead and make a nice little section of braid so that we could see what's going on. Okay. So I'm gonna tie this out the way. You gotta make sure whenever you make your parts, you know, you keep it the flyaways as far away as possible, so that way it doesn't interrupt your braids. So, okay. So we have this section here. You see it? That we're gonna be braiding this little piece. Okay, so now I have it nice and separated, okay? Let's see. Oh man. Okay, so what we do, we begin, okay? I'm not gonna use product on this. It's up to you, like how you wanna do it. I'm gonna show you without product. All right, so you make your section, right? You're first starting. And honestly, the smaller that you start off with, you know, like the smaller sections you use when you're braiding, the neater the braid looks. But I'm gonna go ahead and do, you know, like decent like size so you can kind of see exactly what it is that I'm doing, okay? So I have my piece, right? So you need 3 sections, 3 strands for your braids. So you're gonna go ahead and divide them into 3 pretty evenly, you know, for the most part. Okay, you see that? 3 strands, okay? All right, now, so this is the part where it gets kind of confusing. Like, really, it's just like finger placement. I usually always start with the right side, okay? So the way I start off holding my braids, it's gonna be like this. Check it out, okay? Look, these 2, right? I have this here, right? So it's between this finger, like this. Now with these, I call these my pinchers. So, you know, have this one like this, okay? And this is, I'm gonna have these, you know, okay? So same thing, you see that? Okay? The right strand, we're gonna say A, B, C, A, B, C, right? So B is the middle, C is over here. Okay, so remember, pinchers are gonna be the index and the thumb, and then, you know, where C's at is between my middle and my ring finger. And then as well on the left side, between this. So to start the braid, you go ahead and pull with my pinchers on this hand. I'm gonna take strand C and pull it this way. So now that becomes the middle. So now I'm gonna use these again and grip this one because my new pinchers on this right side is gonna come and pull this over here, okay? So I do this like to retighten it. You always want the braid to be as close to the scalp as possible. So now I have it here and I have this one here. So now you could actually let go of this strand and hold them both here. Okay, so the right outer strand is now in between my pinchers. You know, this other one, it looks like it's just sitting there, but don't forget, it's actually being held between these 2 fingers right here. So your middle strand is gonna be right here. And the goal is you're always feeding in and then, you know, taking the middle back under like this. Okay, so check it out. The way that I put hair in is I have long nails on my pinky, right? I use my pinky nails to do this. So I like grab the hair and I take a small section, you know, like in the middle, and then you lift it and you put it here. So you're gonna be feeding hair from the side that you're on every single time, but like in small sections. So you can see that there, it's here. You know, you can grip it like this, you know what I mean? So it's nice and tight. Okay, so then once again, with this one's right here, you're gonna grip this and go, you're gonna take this underneath, okay? And then with the pinchers, pinch this one this way. So now you can let go of this and that's gonna be the middle, right? So now the same thing. So you could use this one. I use that and this one like this. So pinch, put it in there, you know, and then again, now you're going back this way. So then once again, you put, you know, a strand in there, you grip it, okay, pull, okay, look, feed it in, you know, and then pull. So you're gonna just keep doing that all the way down. So you see that. Okay. See, look, see how easy that is? I mean, I know it could probably look easy, but I mean, I hope it's making sense when I say it. So like that. See, that's all there is to that. That's how your braid starts to get done. Okay, and there's another way you could do it, and I don't do it this way, but I mean, it could be faster, and maybe this is more cornrow style. Okay, it's pretty much exactly the same, but you don't really have to use your fingernails to separate the hair. Okay, check it out. So once again, you get your 3 strands, right? This and this. So same thing, the finger placement's the exact same, okay? So you started off the way I said, but except this time, when you go like this and you grab this one, you're actually gonna be picking up hair at the same time, like a little bit, you know, and holding on to it, because when you go like this, you're just putting that through. And when you just keep doing that, you just keep gripping. And I guess this is more cornrow because you kind of see like the tracks less, you know, and it's like faster. But to me, it's not as neat, you know, because you're not really like taking the exact amount of like sections, you know what I mean? You're just literally like grabbing a piece of like a full piece of pinch of hair, you know, and just continue to braid down, you know, so you can kind of see that like the tracks aren't as visible as when I did it the other way around.